In this video, we're going to go over the bought out part process. So first you're going to need to go over to point of sale, into your operator, into customer number. Then you're going to go over to your product details screen, and you're going to click on this button down here for BOPO, which is for bought out part. This is going to bring up a new window that provides you with a purchase order number already, so you don't have to make one up. And you'll have the Create GRN button here, which you will click if you already have the item at your store. So first you're going to enter your vendor number. Okay, and then it's going to bring you down to the part number, and you do not need to put in the pound or star when you're typing this in. The system will automatically be able to tell whether the part number is a part that goes into the system or does not. So it will assign the correct icon appropriately. So I'm just going to make up a part number and hit enter. And you can see that it automatically assigned it a star because it knows that this part number does not go into the system. So I'm just going to select a product group. Since I'm logged in to BR14, I'm going to select 14M. And then you can add a description. You'll then want to enter your cost. I'm just going to put $1. And sell, I'm going to put $2. And I'm going to hit order and return. This will put the item onto the point of sale screen. And then you can add another part if you would like. If at any time you need to amend something on this bought out part, you will come up and click on it and hit the BOPO button again, which will bring this up, and you can add another item if you want, or you can change the quantity, cost, or sell of this item at that point and hit return again. Once you've got everything in the grid here that you want, you can go ahead and hit sell. And that is all you need to know about the bought out part process.